In the heart of a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there stood an ancient oak tree. Its gnarled branches reached for the sky, and its roots delved deep into the earth, as if holding onto the secrets of the land. Beneath its sprawling canopy, children often gathered to play and imagine, their laughter echoing through the meadows. One sunny afternoon, as the golden rays of the sun filtered through the leaves, a group of children congregated around the old oak tree. Among them was a young boy named Tommy, known for his adventurous spirit and boundless curiosity. As the others played tag and climbed the low-hanging branches, Tommy noticed something peculiar at the foot of the tree, a muddy stick protruding from the ground. Intrigued, Tommy approached the muddy stick and examined it closely. It was unlike any stick he had ever seen before. Covered in thick, gooey mud, it seemed to emanate a faint glow, as if it held a secret of its own. Without hesitation, Tommy reached out and grasped the stick firmly in his hands. To his surprise, the stick pulsed with energy, and a rush of images flooded Tommy's mind. He saw visions of distant lands, vast oceans, and towering mountains shrouded in mist. It was as if the stick held the memories of all who had touched it before him, whispering stories of adventure and discovery. Excited by the possibilities, Tommy called out to his friends and showed them the mysterious muddy stick. Together, they marveled at its enigmatic aura, their imaginations ignited by the promise of adventure. Determined to uncover its secrets, they embarked on a journey that would take them beyond the boundaries of their village. With the muddy stick as their guide, they traversed dense forests, crossed babbling brooks, and climbed treacherous Eventually, their quest led them to the summit of a towering mountain, where they discovered a hidden cavern filled with glittering jewels and priceless artifacts. In the heart of the cavern, bathed in a soft, ethereal light, stood a pedestal adorned with intricate carvings. With trembling hands, Tommy placed the muddy stick upon the pedestal, and in an instant, the cavern began to tremble and shake. The walls around them shimmered and dissolved, revealing a breathtaking vista of stars and galaxies stretching out into infinity. Realizing that the muddy stick was not just a mere artifact, but a key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, Tommy and his friends stood in awe of the vastness and beauty that lay before them. And as they gazed out into the cosmos, they knew that their adventure was only just beginning. From that day forth, The muddy stick became a symbol of friendship, courage, and the endless possibilities that awaited those who dared to dream. And though they returned to their village as heroes, their hearts remained forever bound to the stars, forever yearning for the next great adventure that awaited them in the great unknown.